guys, Bree with Califia Candle Company. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we have a fragrance oil review on the newest releases from Black Tie Barn. I'd like to thank Wade for sending these oils over to me so that I can do a little review for you guys. I have not smelled any of them yet, so I'm really excited to get into it. But before we do so, I am going to put each of them on a blotter strip. These ones here are just from Candle Science. And what this does is it just kind of helps all of those notes that are in the fragrance oil really bloom. So you get more of a true picture of what that fragrance oil smells like rather than just smelling it out of the bottle. So I'm gonna go ahead and blot all of these and then I'll come back and we'll dive right in. All right, the blotter strips are dried down and ready to go. I do have the notes pulled up here on my laptop to refer to. So we are gonna go ahead and start off with the Fine Fragrance Doppelganger collection. So these are 3 oils that Black Tie Barn recently released that are supposed to be dupes for a designer or luxury brand scent. So we are gonna start off here with the Tobacco Luxe. This one has top notes of amber, lemon, and tobacco, middle notes of jasmine, lavender, hints of cocoa, and bottom notes of vanilla, sandalwood, moss, patchouli, musk, guaiac wood, I'm not sure if I pronounced that correctly, and tonka. So let's go ahead and dive in. Ooh, okay. Wow, I was not sure if I was going to like this one because I typically don't gravitate towards fragrance oils that have tobacco notes, but that is very nice. This definitely smells high-end and luxury to me. Ooh, I definitely pick up on the tobacco in there, but it's not overpowering. You get the amber, you do get the jasmine and the lavender notes, and then you get that sandalwood and moss and patchouli coming through as well. That is really, really nice. Oh my gosh. Wow, okay. I was not expecting to like that one as much as I do. Really, really nice. All right, up next we have the Tam Dao Fog, and this one is inspired by Diptyque's Tam Dao. We have top notes of red cypress, middle notes of sandalwood and rosewood, and base notes of cedarwood and musk. So it sounds like it's gonna be a very woodsy type scent. So let's see. Oh, for sure. Definitely woodsy. And I also feel like I'm getting a little bit of spice in there as well. Yeah, it's a very fresh scent. It literally makes you feel like you're walking through a forest full of fog, just as the name states. So that is an accurate representation. A very fresh kind of earthy scent. Okay, that's a nice one as well. Okay, and lastly, for the Fine Fragrance collection, we have the Crystal de France, which is inspired by Baccarat Rouge 540. This is a very popular fragrance oil in the candle making community. I have only tried, I think, one other from another supplier, so I'm interested to see how this one compares to it. We have top notes of white jasmine and violets, middle notes of amberwood and oak moss, and base notes of musk, tonka bean, and amber. So let's go ahead and see. Oh, okay. I feel like this one is actually better than the one that I have from another supplier. I feel like it's stronger for sure. Definitely am picking up on the floral and the musk in there. Okay. I like that a lot. I feel like this would make for a great perfume or a body spray. So I'm gonna have to try it in that application, but ew, that is a lovely fragrance oil. Okay, moving right along into the other new releases, we have the Oasis. Now, I think I'm most excited about this one because it seems totally up my alley. So we have top notes of green and lemon, middle notes of hibiscus, lily, jasmine, linden, coconut, and clove, and base notes of musk, sandalwood, cedarwood, and tonka. Oh yes, okay. This is definitely a Brie scent. I am instantly transported to vacation in the middle of a jungle with an oasis and palm trees everywhere. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I am obsessed. I like that it's not overly coconut, because I feel like a lot of scents that can make you feel like you're on vacation tend to be a little bit heavy on the coconut vibe, or kind of have like sunscreen vibes, if you know what I mean. But this one is very fresh. I definitely am picking up on the greenery that's in there, as well as that sandalwood and cedarwood. That is for sure going in wax for me. I love this. All right, up next we have the spring cleaning, which I think I'm also really gonna love. So we have top notes of tropical fruits and aquatics, middle notes of orange flower and tuberose, and base notes of amber, musk, and berries. This sounds like it's gonna be a really fresh one. Oh, for sure. The spring cleaning, couldn't have picked a better name for that. That is perfect for it. Super, super fresh. I definitely am picking up on the tropical notes that are in there, and also some cotton or linen notes. I love this. Wow. This would make a great laundry detergent or cleaning spray or reed diffuser, something that is going to be in the home. It's a very bright and vibrant scent, but also clean and fresh because you've got that cotton linen vibe to it. All right, next we have the Lullaby. Very cute name for that one. We have top notes of apple and pineapple, middle notes of gardenia and powdery rose, and base notes of vanilla, coconut, and amber. Sounds like it's going to be a very soft and soothing fragrance. Oh, for sure. Very powdery, soft, and fresh. It honestly kind of reminds me of a freshly bathed baby. So that is the perfect name choice for this fragrance oil. Wow, I get a little bit of everything in this. I get the fruitiness from the apple and the pineapple, that gardenia and the powder, and then some warmth from that vanilla and amber. I love this. This would make a great lotion or soap scent. I might have to try that for myself. All right, I can get into this one for sure. Okay, wrapping it up, we have the Love After Death. This one has top notes of clove, smoky, and green apple, middle notes of pine, fir, and rose, and base notes of sweet sandalwood, guaiac wood, musk, and tonka. Okay, let's see. Whoa, okay. That is a strong one. Holy moly. Wow, I definitely am picking up on the smokiness right away. And the clove and the pine and that sandalwood and musk. Oh my goodness, okay. Personally, I would not gravitate towards a scent like this just because I don't really prefer smoky vibes, but if you do, I think you definitely need to try this one because it is intense. Very unique, a very unique scent. I have not smelt one like this. All right, that one probably my least favorite, but that's just personal preference. But wow, is it strong. That is super strong. Well, that is it for the newest releases, but I am not done yet because I have 3 more oils that I already had on hand that I wanted to share with you guys because I think they would be great options for fall or winter since they are right around the corner. So we are gonna start off here with the Peculiar Pine, which happens to be a favorite of mine. So this one has top notes of pine and thyme, middle notes of patchouli and sage dalmatian, and base notes of camphor, musk, and cedarwood. And this one is very unique. I feel like I've tried a lot of different pine scents during my time as a candle maker to try and find the one. There are so many to choose from. And I love that this one kind of stands out from the rest. I think that the thyme and the sage that are in there really help set it apart and make it a little bit unique. And it is such a lovely pine scent. Very true and very real smelling, not artificial at all. So if you are in the search for the perfect pine scent, I really recommend trying this one out. All right, up next we have the Bandit with top notes of sandalwood and brandy, middle notes of leather, pine fir, clove, and cardamom, and base notes of musk, patchouli, tonka, cedarwood, vanilla, and moss. So this is a very complex scent. I know that this is one of their best selling fragrance oils, and I can see why. It is very unique, very masculine. strong. I definitely get the leather in there and the spice from the clove and the cardamom and that patchouli and that cedar wood. Wow. It is definitely a standout fragrance oil. If you have a men's line at all, whether it be candles or body care items, this would be perfect for that. I also think that the leather and kind of woodsy vibes would make this a great option for fall or winter. So if any of those notes sound like something you're into, you definitely have to check this one out. And last but not least, we have the Silk Oak, which I think would be another great option for fall or winter. This one has top notes of stone fruit and green leaves, middle notes of leather, patchouli, and cedar leaf, and base notes of vanilla, smoke, and dark woods. And this one just screams cozy to me. It makes me want to be bundled up in a blanket next to the fire, drinking some tea, some hot cocoa. Oh, it is amazing. It is incredible. I definitely get the vanilla up front on this one, and then everything else just really adds a unique touch to it. I love it. I love, love, love. I think vanilla is a fragrance oil that is definitely going to be in this season. So if you're looking for a vanilla type scent, check this one out for sure. It is unique. It is different. It will set you apart from others. I love this. I love this. I'm definitely going to be checking this one out myself for probably my winter collection. All right, well, that ends this video. If you have not tried Black Tie Barn oils, you're totally sleeping on them. They are really amazing, high quality oils that you're not going to be paying an arm and a leg for, which I know we can all appreciate during times like these. So highly recommend checking them out. I will have them linked down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.